Another basic stitch you'll need to know is the slip stitch. So here I'm going to work some slip stitches on top of this row of single crochet stitches. So I don't need to chain up here. I'm just going to start working my slip stitches right into the next single crochet here. So I'm going to insert my hook under both loops of that stitch, yarn over, pull my yarn through the stitch, and then pull it through the loop that was on my hook. So we'll do that again. Insert your hook, yarn over, pull through the stitch, and then pull right through the loop on your hook. The trick here is to not make your stitches too tight because you're not doing any more yarn overs. You're just going to do that first one and then do like one smooth pull through for both of those loops. So insert your hook, yarn over, pull through the stitch, and then just pull through the loop. Insert your hook, yarn over, pull through the stitch, and pull through the loop. Insert your hook, yarn over, pull through the stitch, and pull through the loop. So that is a row of slip stitches. It's not tall at all, it's kind of flat. And a slip stitch is often used to join if you're working in the round. So here I have some stitches that I worked around my adjustable ring, and I want to join this single crochet, the last one I did, to this single crochet, the first one I did, so I can keep working around and around in a circle instead of in rows. So to join those, I'm just going to use a slip stitch. Insert my hook under the stitch, the first stitch of the round, and I'm going to join that to the last stitch of the round. So I just do that yarn over, pull my yarn through, and then pull my yarn through. And now I have joined that round so I can keep working in the same manner around and around.